Hello, my name is Ben, excuse me, and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice that's broken up just about as much as the actual Serene Republic of Venice was. That's kind of the way it is. I've decided that once we do finally become the president, or yeah, the Federation president, I'm pretty sure we're gonna declare like 3 different wars. Probably against Castile, Korea. Hey, are we rivals with Korea? Yes, we are. Good. And the Papal States, just because you can, right? Maybe we'll declare a 4th war. No, we'll let the Habsburgs. I don't know. Maybe we'll get them someday. Because we gotta expand. We gotta expand a bunch. And as much as our peaceful expansion is working out pretty well for us, except for that whole tech thing, yeah, it'd be nice to take someone else's stuff. Because, you know, it's fun, right? We're going to liberate them into proper Irenic democracy. Yes, that's exactly what's going to happen. How is Dalmatia doing? I'm wondering. Yeah, they're still starving. Yep. How unhappy are they? 55%. Only 15.5 ethics divergence. Interesting. 45.5 for that one, though. Got us a mining station. Cool. We're just kind of managing at this point. I've got a bunch of building projects going in most of our
construction complete.
Core sector worlds. Construction. Murano's done. Hang on. A couple things here. Oh, finally we're not just swimming in money here. Okay, you are leaving to Trieste. That's fine. It's not ideal, but it's fine. Murano. Why don't you get us a little bit more cash? Yeah, let's do that. And of course, engineering. How are you on food? You're fine on food. Okay, cool. Da Vinci, thank you for this lovely tiny little defense station. It'll do something. It'll do something. It's fine. Da Vinci, what else can you do? I have a feeling you're about to just go over here and build some stuff in this region. Build me a mining station.
System survey complete. Construction complete.
Just to establish embassy. Oh, we have an embassy established from Finland. Yes, we aim to establish an embassy in Venezia for the future betterment of Finnish-Venetian diplomacy. That's so happy. Maybe I'll try not to make your people starve next time. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. What did you do? What is this? Oh, construction complete. Venezia has finished its... Oh, surface. Excuse me. Sudden tickle. Okay, sorry. Venezia has surface construction. We're good. Yeah, Venezia is good. Perfectly happy. Wonderfully everything. It's great. Oh, why don't we upgrade our spaceport?
Construction complete.
Lacking 169. Lacking 42. Come on. Come on.
Construction complete.
Might as well upgrade our capital, spaceport. Yes.
System survey complete.
Okay. Two lazy science ships. Okay. Let's take a quick look. Is there anything here we have not finished surveying? Nope. Very good, thorough job. Okay, Cassini, you have 4. Giovanni Priuli, I know you're like 76, but come here. Come. Upgrade to fleet to latest designs, and then, can I do this? And then assist research. Okay. Science ship, Cassini. Cassini is kind of my favorite. I actually think that Cassini is one of my favorite space probes in real life, actually. So where's the next best researchy place? Actually, it's a good question. 1376. 1218.6. There. Oh, maybe we do that. 10.4 and 4. What I'm trying to do is figure out where the best place is to have this guy assist with research. So Corfu's the obvious top choice. It's either Venezia. Well, we might as well do Venezia, and then we'll have another science ship that will help with actually one of our sector worlds. Cassini. Upgrade fleet to latest designs, and then assist research. Thank you. There we go. What do you got? Inactive buildings. Yeah, I kind of figured that would happen. Was that sciencey? Yeah. Well, that's just gonna happen. You people need to grow faster. Yeah, that's pretty much all it is. Wow, that's a lot of food. I suspect we're... Why are you unhappy? You fanatic collectivist? Yeah. Oh, because he's also not spiritual. Okay. I think this guy... Hydroponic farm? You know something? No more hydroponic farm for you. You should have some money. No, don't upgrade. Replace. With power plant 1. And then we'll flip this guy. There you go. Okay. There we go. Is everybody building something? No, not you, Naxos. Yeah, you need more people. How's your food? It's alright. I'll move you later. I'm gonna move this Polish dude up, but it's gonna be a little bit. So let's get some more. Let's go to Biolab. Ooh, construction ship. Lazy construction ship. No. Build a research station. Thank you.
Construction complete.
Spaceport of Trow has finished its construction queue. I forget what the Spaceport of Trow was doing. I forget what I named Trow after, actually.
Colony established.
No, Spaceport. Or was I just leveling you up? Oh, you know what? That's an interesting question. Is the Zara sector... Do they all have spaceports? Yes. Are they upgrading? Eventually. Maybe. Okay. Sebenico. First off, where are you for real? Oh, you're here. Can I just go to? Can I go to you? Arctic World. Is this you? Yes, it is. Okay. Can I add... I can't add this to you, can I? That's okay. I'll have to actually manage this guy real quick. Let's get a couple of farms going. And then let's throw down an edict. Actually, no. Once construction is complete, then we will throw down an edict. That's what we're gonna do. Get people to settle there. You know, it may be time to make some more colony ships. Do we have anybody coming over here? I don't think we do.
Colony established.
Quick. Empire. Crossroads sector. Why don't you have this, and this, and this? But not this. Kiribus, you're staying with me, because that's where a lot of my money is kind of coming from the Betharian stone. So, we're going to go with that. We are going to go with that. Okay. Yeah, Crossroads, you're looking nice. Nice and healthy. Actually, what does that do for your budget? Crossroads. Yeah, you're still making plenty. Enough to pay me a little? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. That makes me wonder, should I build a couple more destroyers? When's our next election? 79? Oh, very soon. Very, 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 very soon. Let's build. Let's queue up a couple more destroyers. Oops. Disruptor. And laser. Okay, that's gonna do it. Okay. Well, that's been fun.
Construction complete.
Campaigning to elect a new president.
Construction complete.
Okay, good. Finally, it's not another separatist. Oh, thank God. Okay. They're all just fine. Corvette build cost, Frontier Outpost build cost. Oh, interesting. Probably won't do that, though. Yeah, these are all pretty good. They're all Venetians, though, which is interesting. Oh, and if you missed it, yes, we actually do have French folks in our territory. Okay, this is a continental colony ship. Let's pick this up. Colonized planet. Right about... right there is actually probably ideal. In the long run. Let's do it.
Construction complete.
Again, this is mostly about getting territory, and that's it. Corfu has finished. Sabenico is not done yet. Okay, good. You're gonna move. Why are you gonna move? Don't move. We love you. Alright. Ah yes, keep the Betharian stone. It's more important than cannoli, which is saying something actually. Construction ship. We have what it takes. Excellent. Built some mining stations. Go.
Situation log updated.
Giovanni Prilli has been elected as High Priest of the Serene Republic of Venice. Consult the situation log. What does he got? He is a Corvette focus and Frontier Outpost. Well, we'll just build some Corvettes. What is your... Oh. Minor mandate. Okay, that's fine. That's actually ideal. Because we intend to build a bunch of orbital mines. Noxos, what are you doing? Give me
System
science.
survey complete.
Biolab 2, thank you. Schiaparelli. Guess what? You're gonna come over to Minnock, I think. Right? 12-18-6. Oh, well, let's do it. Come on over. Upgrade fleet to latest designs, and then assist research. We've basically surveyed what we can. Unless
complete.
we go through the Hansa. Hang on. Unless we go through the Hansa. For trade deal. Civilian access. Civilian access. We can pay for that. You know what, Schiaparelli? You're not done yet. Just kidding. Stay here. Move here. Actually, hang on. Can you survey? Yeah, you know what? Just survey the system. While I negotiate some. Offer trade deal. I want... Actually, what's so special about you? Your people. Thrifty, adaptive, slow breeders, weak. I think we're okay without your people in our territory. Yep, this is shaping up pretty good. I know that the what are they called? The folks, the Prussians exist. I've even seen them. If you look at contacts and you find species, you actually find Prussians. Now, who's the most? Okay, Finns are the most populous, followed by Salish. Wow, we're way down there, but we do have a ton of pops, just overall. Wait, did I miss us? No, there we are. We're like number 4. Okay. Hansa, French, Habsburg, Russian, Korean, Iroquois, Polish. There we are. Prussian. There are 68 Prussians. They're very strong. We want a couple of them. We want some of them just to build very strong psi-warriors or something. Construction ship, I will deal with you later. Schiaparelli, I can deal with you in a sec. So I do not want migration access. I'll take a research agreement though. Oh, neutral attitude. No. Well, too bad. Border access. Civilian access. I think we can make that go away. Maybe you like energy better. Yeah. Here you go. 3 ducats a month for 30 years to get access through your territory. Okay, and then Schiaparelli is going to wander on through their territory and see what they can do. You know what? Let's also talk to the Salish. Offer trade deal. Border access. Civilian. Border access. Civilian. 30 years. You want money? I can give you some money. Yeah. 3 ducats a month. Oh yeah. And that'll get us over into this area. I wonder, Finland. We're not... Border access. Civilian access. Oh yeah. We're just gonna send one boat through. It's just gonna be Schiaparelli's thing. Confirm. I think I hear my cat. And construction ship. Well, what do you want to do? Come on over to... Oh, get some mining stations. Get them some cash. There we go.
Construction complete.
You know what? Just one moment. Sorry about that. Everything is all right. Though you may hear my cat in just a second. So, let's see here. I think, actually, that Giovanni Priuli, our current high priest, right? Yeah, I believe that he was elected for both the separatist thing, which isn't going to happen, and also the minor mandate. So we will finish the minor mandate soon. He also is really good at...
Construction.
He also has a Corvette focus, so we will deal with that soon. Namely, when we get a little bit more... when we get just a little bit more minerals. Come on over here, fleet. Nezia, why don't you build some stuff? Spaceport. Lasers and disruptors. And more lasers. There we go. 3 of them, that should be good. A small celestial object with pronounced gaseous and particulate tails was recently observed in the Veneto system. Its passing was uneventful. It is a good omen. Ooh, 40 influence. Excellent. Which reminds me, Sebenico has built its farms. So we are going to do a couple of things. One, land of opportunity. Come one, come all. Second, actually I'm gonna probably gonna build a farm here. Yes. And then clear the glacier. Can't afford to clear the glacier. Next month. just gonna just fill Savanico, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do next with it. Clear. Okay, cool.
Construction complete.
Where's that? Naxos. Good job, Naxos. Food, huh? Interesting. You have 4 food there. Let's upgrade this. And then we'll start taking down some of the farms. And it'll be fine. Surface. 4 food, huh? Okay, let's do it. Let's build a mine. Mining network 1. Yes, we will lose the food, and I don't care. How's our fleet looking? Merge up. Yes. How does it actually look? Oh yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Could use some battleships though. 5 cruisers, 18 destroyers. Now it's time to add to these 22 corvettes. What do you say?
System survey
Antonio
complete.
Ziani has leveled up, and Schiaparelli is ready to zip around in a different portion of the galaxy. You know, survey that system, survey that system, survey that system. Maybe there's something worth settling on in there. I doubt it, but there could be. And then, you know what I'm going to have you do? I'm going to have you survey that system. You're going to zip all the way through there. No, not there. Never mind. Well, that one too, but then just zip all the way over there. Yeah. We're not going to hear from you for a while. Cassini's still on its way. Wow.
Construction complete.
Spaceport of Venezia has finished. My little batch. Oh, minor mandate fulfilled. Yes. A little batch of corvettes. Excellent. 175 influence. Okay, so what are we going to do about that? I'm wondering if it's time to start throwing influence at science. Because we have it. It's just hard. We don't have a straight up across the board science influence thing. Social welfare programs. No. We could encourage free thought. We're going to lose some ethics divergence along the way, but that's okay. Or we're going to gain ethics divergence along the way, but I think that's fine. Let's do it. Okay. Now how's our science look? A little bit quicker. Oh yeah, psi-warriors. That's going to be nice. That's going to be awfully nice. Now, Zara sector, what kind of... Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that science. It's just from that sector. It's not even a big sector. Like, Crossroads sector? That's a pretty big sector.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete. System survey complete.
Okay, and construction. Give me more science. Give me more science! Let's also get 2 things here. One, I want another colony ship, but where? What's this? Desert World. Nope. Arcas? It's a pretty good-sized continental world. Anything else going for it? Not particularly. Oh, up here, yes. Okay, let's go to Venezia. And say, hey, Venezia, give me a colony ship. And then Murano. Give me some more corvettes. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, let's... Do we want torpedo? Do we ever want to do... I'm basically keeping around the torpedo classes for in case I see someone who just doesn't have point defenses. Or just not enough to really do anything. Let's get a couple. Okay, 4 more corvettes. Let's do it. Cannot wait till we're the Federation president. Not too long, it'll be the Teutonic Order. Basically like 7
Construction complete.
7 years or so. Which is not great, but what are you gonna do, right? Let's meld these two. Several xenoanthropologists from Venezia have returned to the surface of Trow after spending a great deal of time living among the subterranean aliens native to that world. Oh, interesting. They have learned much about their ancient ways and customs, which will no doubt benefit our society research. Plus 350 society research. Yeah! Okay.
Construction complete.
How's our fleet look? 5k. Not bad. How's the Teutonic Order fleet look? They are superior, but yeah. Oh, by the way, you didn't see this, but there was actually a Venetian as president? Whatever marshal dude that they have in charge of them, of the Teutons. There was a Venetian in charge of the Teutonic Order. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. We do have open borders with you, right? Or migration access? I thought we had that. Nope. They're just... It's funny, they're just not at all interested in energy credits. Minerals? Monthly transfer. See, I thought we already had this. I wish there was a way you could see if you have something like that. Whatever. Let's pay it. Because we're about to start getting tundras. And the thing is, they have tundra dwellers. So, let's do it. Okay, good. And then... Where are we gonna get... Not quite the tundra dwellers, but... some continentals. Yeah, I guess we go with the continentals, the spiritualists. These guys are pretty good. We're gonna settle this one piece of territory down in here, so that we don't have to have a an outpost there. But I think we're gonna do that next time. And until next time, oh, that's an arid. Until next time, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time, where hopefully Sabenico will have a few more people. Oh yes, welcome Russian, welcome. You know what? Bye folks.